Yes, good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? I'm also good. So today we are going to do revision of FA2 syllabus. Okay, our syllabus is completed. So today I'm here with a worksheet with few questions. I will ask to you, you will give me the answers. So let's start the worksheet. Okay, this worksheet is very important. The questions given in the worksheet, uh, these type of questions you will see in the exams. Okay. Yes, look at the exercise 1A. Complete the sentences with the correct word from the brackets. Okay. So there are few sentences given and the words given in the brackets. Two words given in the bracket. You have to choose the correct word to fill in the blank. Okay. Look forward, everybody. Devansh, sit properly. Mansi, have a seat. Yes, look at the first number. Stand up, Kushveer. Read number one sentence. Shefali is Shefali is my friend. Dash is a talented artist. Okay, so in this sentence, which is the correct answer? He or she? Which pronoun can we use for Shefali? She. Shefali is a girl. Okay, so which pronoun do we use for girl? She. Okay, for singular female. For singular female. Shefali is a girl. So which is correct answer? She. Fill it here. Beta, when you write this word here, first letter should be capital. Okay, because here we are starting a new sentence. So first word of a sentence always starts with a capital letter. Okay, so write S capital. Okay. Yes, stand up, Darshit. Sit, Khushveer. Read the second one. The kitten cute. The kitten is very cute. Kitten. What is kitten? The baby of a cat. Cat's baby. Right? Cat's baby is called kitten. It's an animal. It's an animal, right? So which is the correct pronoun? Which pronoun do we use for animal? He or it? It. We all know we use for animal, for singular animal or anything. We use it. I should be capital. Okay. Right? IT. It. I should be capital because it is a new sentence. This sentence is over here. From here, this is a new sentence. So we have to write first letter capital. Okay. Number 3. Stand up, Yashvi. Avni and Reena are best friends. Look at the subject. What is the subject? First of all, tell me what is the subject in this sentence. Avni and Reena are best friends. What is the subject? Avni and Reena. Very good, Yashvi. Avni and Reena is the subject. So, is the subject singular or plural? Look at the subject. Is it singular or plural? Plural. There are two girls, right? So, it is a plural subject. Plural. Okay, Avni and Reena. Plural words. Best friends. Dash sit together in the class. They or we? They. We. Yes, Yashvi, tell me what is the correct answer. They. What is the correct answer? They. But we is also a plural pronoun. Listen me here now. We is also a plural pronoun. So what is the difference between they or we? Why have you used they here? Because we are talking about Avni and Reena. These are not the speaker. These are not the speaker. Okay, for the speaker, when the speaker is more than one, then we use we. We are talking about the third person. We are talking about third person. They means वे सब, not वह. वह is singular. Okay, he, she, it. This is वह. Okay, and they means they denotes third person, means the person whom we are talking, whom about we are talking. Okay, so here they will come. First letter should be capital. Next, the dog followed dash around the yard. Now look here properly. Ridvi, stand up, beta. The dog followed dash around the yard. Look at the option we and us. We and us. The dog followed we, a dog followed us. The dog followed us. Very good. Sit down. The dog followed us. This is the objective form of pronoun, right? So at the object place, we use the objective form. Okay, so we is a subjective form. When it is used as a subject, then we can use we. Okay. Number 5. Stand up. Are we? Are we stand up? Dash are late for school. Tell me. I'm asking to Arvi, let her answer. Don't speak, everybody. Yes, Arvi. They or them? They is the correct answer, right? Why have you used they? Tell me the reason. Yes, you go. Tell me, beta. Why have you used they? What is they? Subject or object? Yes, subject. It's a subject, and they is the subjective form, right? So in the place of subject, and subject usually comes at the first of the sentence, right? So they is a subject. So at the subject place, we have to use the subjective form, and they is the subjective form, right? Sit, Arvi. Stand up, Utkarsh. Meena, dash are late for school. We are talking to Meena. We are talking to Meena. Meena is listener. Meena is listener. Okay, now tell me. Meena, dash are late for school. I or you? You. Very good, Sit. So for the listener, we use you. Meena, you are late for school. Meena, you are late for school. So we are talking to Meena. I'm telling to Meena, right, that you are late for school. So this exercise is completed. Have you all completed? Erase it, right again. Write proper right. Write it properly and make Y capital. Beta, this is also first letter. So make this Y capital. Apostrophe is a punctuation mark. Right? Write Y capital. Yashvi, stand up from here, beta. Stand. Sit here. Okay, now look at exercise B. Exercise B. Now B number, circle the possessive pronouns in the given sentences. Okay, so what are the possessive pronouns? Tell me, what are the possessive pronouns? Yes? Mine, yours, theirs. These are the words. Ours. These words are possessive pronouns. Okay, these words shows ownership. These words shows ownership. Okay, so let's start the exercise. Good, Sanvis. Have your seat, beta. Look, sit down, Sanvi. You will give me answers one by one. Okay, to whom I will ask, they will give me the answer only. Okay, nobody will speak together. Sit with on. Yes. Stand up, Arav. This book is mine. Tell me the possessive pronoun. Tell me the possessive pronoun. Which one is possessive pronoun? Which word is possessive pronoun? We have to circle. This book is mine. Mine is the possessive pronoun. Sit good. So we have to circle this word. Circle it. Stand up, Abhay. That house is ours. That house is ours. So here we are using the word OURS, ours, in the place of that house. What? Ours. Good. Sit down. Stand up, Mayank. These toys are yours. I'm indicating a person that these toys are yours. I'm not speaking the person's name. I'm using the word yours in the place of that person's name, right? So yours is a pronoun, but what kind of pronoun? Possessive pronoun. What kind of pronoun? Possessive pronoun. Circle it. Sit, Mayank. Stand up, Mansi. Read 4 number sentence. Yes, Mansi, read beta. Floor is theirs. The ground floor is theirs. Tell me the possessive pronoun. Theirs. It's theirs, not there. There is an adjective. Theirs is a pronoun. Okay, there is a difference between there and theirs. Okay. Yes. Circle the word theirs. This is a possessive pronoun. Okay. Look here. Start up with Han. Read number 5. This hat is hers. This hat is hers. What is the possessive pronoun, Vidhan? Hers. Good. Sit down. Mansi, you also have a seat. Yes. Stand up, Nitesh. Read number 6. What is possessive pronoun? His. The bottle is his. What is the meaning of the bottle is his? Means the bottle belongs to him, right? Yes. Look at the exercise C. Fill in the blanks with is, MR, was and verb. Means this exercise is about verbs. Is about verbs. Okay, these all are the helping verbs. Okay, now tell me which time denotes is, MR denotes which time? Tell me present or past? Is, MR means present time. Is, MR means present time. And was were means past time. Was were means past time. Okay. So from these verbs is, MR, was and were. From these verbs, which verbs are singular? Which verbs are singular? Ridvi, stand up. Here a few verbs given. Is, MR, was and were. Okay. Which verbs are singular? Am is singular, good. And is also singular, good. And was is also singular, very good. Clapping for her. Do clapping. Stand up, Darsh. Stand up. Now tell me which verbs are plural. Rest of the verbs. What are the plural verbs? Are. Plural verb and are and verb. These are plural verbs. Are and verbs means with singular subjects we use is, am and was, right? Is, am denotes present time, was denotes past time, but these all are the singular verbs. And with plural subjects we use are and were. Okay, so pay special attention to the subjects or objects, right? We have to use the verbs according their number. Is it singular or plural? Okay, and according the time. Look at the number 1. I dash sorry for being late. Is there any word that denote the past time? No. So which verb will come here? I am. I am. Yes, stand up, Aradhya. Read number 2. She dash not well yesterday. Which time denotes the word yesterday? Which time denotes yesterday? I am asked. Better listen to question properly. What am I asking? Which time denotes yesterday? Present time or past time? Past time. Yesterday means the last day. Yesterday means the last day. That is already past. That is already past. Right? So this word is denoting the past time. So which verbs are used in past time? Was and and were. Which verbs are used in past time? Was and were. Means we have to use from was and verb. Now look at the subject. She, singular or plural? Singular. So which verb will come? Was or were? Was. Good, Aradhya. Sit. Okay. Number 3. Stand up, Utkarsh. They dash in Agra last week. First of all, tell me which time is in this sentence. Time. Tell me the time. Present or past. About which time we are talking in this sentence. Past time or present time? Yes, Vidhan. About which time we are talking in this sentence. Past or present? About past time. Because last week means the week that has already passed. Okay. So we are talking about the past time. We are talking about the past time, and past time verbs are was and were. Means we have to choose from was and were. Yes, Vidhan, tell me. According to the subject they, which verb is correct? Was or were? Were is the correct verb. Very good, Vidhan. Sit down. Okay, now number 4. Stand up, Devansh. We dash 10 years old. We are, because there is no past time word. So we are. Okay, you dash late for test. You are. Okay, present time verb we will fill here. Got it, everybody? Do it fast. Done? Now turn the page. Turn the page. Come to the next page. Exercise D. Exercise. Okay. Stand up, Sanvi. Read the heading of exercise D. Fill in the blanks with has, have, and had. Okay. So number 1. This room dash 3 fans last year. We are talking about past time. So first of all, tell me which verb denotes past time. Has, have, or had? Had denotes past time. Very good, Sanvi. Sanvi, come here. You will fill the correct answer in this dash. Fill. This room dashed 3 fans last year. Very good. Clapping for her. Clapping for Sanvi. Hope. Don't raise hands. Sit properly. Yes. Number 2. Come, Devansh. These boxes dash many toys. First of all, tell me, are we talking about past time here? Which time about which time we are talking? We are talking about present time. If there is no word that indicate the past time, then we will fill in present time. Okay. If there is a word that tells us about past time, then we will fill past verb only. Okay. Yes, fill. Look at the subject. Don't touch your hand, touch the pen only. Yes, fill. Write properly. Look at the subject. These boxes, singular or plural, then find the answer. Look at the answer. Is it correct? No. Look at the subject. These boxes, singular or plural? Aradhya, come. Yes, Devanshu, stand here, beta. Fill. Very good, Aradhya. Have. What will come? Have. So, Devansh, if the subject is plural, then we will use have. Got it? Go sit. So, which verb is correct here? Have. Because have is a plural verb. We use this verb only with plural subjects. Okay? Arav, come. Number 3. I dash 2 brothers and 1 sister. No past word here. So we will fill in present time. So which verb denotes present time? Has or have. Okay. Look at the subject I. What is the correct answer? First of all, tell me the correct answer. What? I. With I, what do we use? Have. Phil. We always use have with I. I is singular, but this is an exception, right? We always use have. We always use have with I. Okay? Yes, speak the sentence. I have two brothers and one sister. Very good. Sit. I have two brothers and one sister. Okay? Have is a plural verb, but there are some exceptions also. We always use have with I. I is a singular subject. Okay? Yes. Come, Arvi. Yes. Reena dash fever yesterday. We are talking about present or past time? Yesterday is here. Tell me the time. Yesterday means the past day. Yes? So past time or present time? Past time. So which verb will come here? Fill it. No, we are talking about past time. Ridvi, come. Come, Ridvi. Which verb denotes the past time? Had. Have you forgot? Yes, come. So which verb is the correct answer? Had. H-A-D. Had. It is very simple, beta. Yesterday is the past word. It denotes the past time. It means we have to use the past verb. And what is the past verb? Had. What is the past verb? Had. Good. Sit. Have a seat, beta. Okay, now look at number 5. Yes, Kushvi, stand up. The octopus dash 8 legs. First of all, tell me which time is this sentence indicating? Present time. So which verb will come, has or have? Look at the subject. The octopus. Very good. Come here, fill it. Do fast. Very good. Have your seat. Come, Abhay. Yes, wait there first. She dash a pen. Tell me the correct answer. Yes. Look here. There is no past time word. So has or have. We have to choose from has or have. Look at the subject she. Has or have. Which verb is correct? Tell me the correct answer. H-A. Yes. Has. Right. Yes, right here. Yashvi, you right here. Right. What is the correct answer? Has, because she is plural. Because she is a plural she is a singular subject. Okay? She is a singular subject, right? She means one female, singular female, right? So this exercise is completed. Now there is another exercise, exercise E. Exercise E. Look at exercise E. Look, frame sentences using the following words. Listen, with two words, we will frame the sentences right now, and with number 3 and 4, you will frame yourself. Okay, at home. Got it? Number 1, we. We is a plural pronoun, right? The speaker. We is a speaker, right? So frame a sentence. Yes, Vidhan. You. Yes, it's correct. We are 10 years old. It's correct. Yes, Devansh. We are playing. It's also right. What? We are ready. It's also right. Yes, Darshit. We study in class third. Good. It's also correct. Yes, Aradhya. Yes, Aradhya. We are playing together. Very good. Sit. Yes. What? We are going. We are going to school. So we can make. Okay, okay. Okay. Have your seats, everybody. Very good. We are best friends. It's also correct. So you can frame any sentence. You can frame any sentence. Okay. I'm writing a sentence here. You can write it or you can frame your own sentence in your worksheet. Okay. We are playing in the park. Okay, it's also right. You can write your own sentence. Okay, but it should be correct. Okay. We are best friends. Okay, it's correct. You can write. Write proper. Write properly, beta. Show me. Don't put question mark. It is a statement. Okay, third. THIRD. And then put full stop. Make this as small. Yes. With number 2. What is the number 2 word? R. First of all, tell me which Sanvi, wait. First of all, tell me which part of speech is R. Noun, pronoun, verb. I'm giving you option. R. What is R? A noun, a pronoun, or a verb? A verb. What is R? A verb. What is R? A verb. Okay. So R is a plural verb, so we have to take plural subject. Okay. So the birds are flying. The birds are flying. Okay. These trees are very beautiful. These trees are very big. These trees are tall. We can frame any sentence. Okay. There are many classrooms. There are many classrooms in our school, right? There are many students. Okay. There are 18 students. Okay. They are so cute. Okay. Okay. So you can write any sentence. They are busy. Write a simple sentence. They are busy. They are busy. Next, yours. Tell me which type of, which part of speech is yours? Noun, pronoun, or verb? Yes, Abhay. Which which part of speech is yours? Noun, pronoun, or verb? It is a pronoun. It is a pronoun. And what kind of pronoun? Possessive pronoun. So we can say, we can frame a sentence. Okay, do this exercise here. F number will be your homework. Okay. So this bag is yours. This bag is yours. And then number 4, them. Okay, frame a sentence using them. Now frame. Stand up, Ridvi. Frame a sentence using the word them. Yes, beta? Yes, beta. Them, not they. Them. Yes, that's frame a sentence using them. Yes, Devansh. What? Ma'am is calling them. Good. It's also correct. Yes. Them is not them. We can't use them as a subject. Use another subject. Okay. Yes. Them is not a subject, so we can't use them at subject's place. Yes, Aradhya. Yes. You can say any sentence. We are playing with them. Okay. Yeah, Reena is playing with them. Reena is playing with them. The dog is following them. Dog उनको follow कर रहा है. Okay, the dog is following them. Okay, any sentence you can frame. Okay, so this exercise is also completed. Now come to the exercise F. Look at exercise F. Write a paragraph about your favorite family member. This is your homework. In the given space, you have to write a paragraph about your family member. Got it, everybody? This is your homework. Okay, so revise this worksheet. I will take a test tomorrow. Okay, thank you, everyone.